I'm a fair weather hiker, I'm happy to admit that. I try to plan my hikes around days when there's sunshine. Sometimes things don't go to plan though, and I end up in situations like this. Those are some of the conditions I found myself in recently. Luckily this jacket, the Páramo Aspira 360 Smock, has been making what could be quite a miserable time actually quite tolerable, verging on enjoyable. I've got a lot to say on this jacket's performance, but first of all, what you need to know about this is that Paramo is setting a really high standard in regards to sustainability here. I might even go so far as saying that this is a game changer. Why? Because Paramo aren't just thinking buy, use, discard here. They're not thinking in a traditional linear way where a product's made, it's used, and then it's eventually sent to landfill. Paramo have made this jacket with repair, reuse, and recycling in mind. To start with, this is built for durability, minimizing the risk of damage during use. There's no flimsy membrane here where a small hole can basically render the product ruined, or where over time the fabrics may delaminate and fall apart. Instead, it's made of layers of durable fabrics that can be fixed with a simple patch up with a needle and thread if a rip does occur. Paramo have made it easy for individuals to fix minor rips with basic sewing skills, even while out in the field. Or you can send it off to the Paramo workshop for professional repairs at a fair price. Here's the thing though, if you do ever deem the Aspira Smock to have reached the end of its life with you, Paramo can take it off your hands, they'll even give you a £50 voucher in exchange, and they'll attempt to make use of it once again. That could be by refurbishing it and reselling it as part of the Paramo Second scheme, or by taking it apart and using parts of it in other garments, or if necessary, by fully breaking it down and recycling the fabrics to make brand new fabrics. This jacket is actually already made from partially recycled goods, with old Paramo garments and leftover fabrics from other textile goods used to make the high wicking pump liner on the inside. Okay, the Aspira isn't 100% recycled, but it's just the start of a process. Paramo say that they're investing in chemical recycling and are looking to up the recycled content in their products going forward. Whether that's using their own garments that are deemed irreparable or taking in leftover unwanted fabrics from elsewhere in the outdoor industry. Okay, so you want to hear about the performance side of things. Now, first of all, for those who aren't familiar with Paramo's wet weather system, let me just tell you that they do things very differently. Their unique Nikwax Analogy fabric uses a membrane-free construction to effectively mimic animal fur using a Nikwax wash-in wax and hydrophobic materials to repel rain and move sweat away from the skin. The system might not provide a totally waterproof barrier, but it's constantly pushing moisture away from your body, and it's allowing moisture from condensation within the jacket to escape too. In the conditions that I've been using this in recently, it's not only kept me protected, but it's saved me from feeling clammy too, even during those uphills when I'm working hard. When you do start to overheat, fortunately, there are loads of venting options, so you can open up the jacket while still remaining protected. Pockets, loads of them. I particularly like these ones up on the breast here. They're perfect for a compass. You've also got this big map-sized kangaroo pouch, and then concealed hand warmer pockets at the sides too. On the shoulders, you've got a light bit of synthetic padding, and this adds a touch of insulation while also helping to take the strain of a heavy backpack. It does add to the overall weight of the jacket though, which comes in at 850 grams altogether, so it is on the heavy side. The hood then, well, I find Paramo always make a good hood with loads of adjustment, a big broad peak with a moldable wire in it, and just excellent stormproofing overall. The fabric overall is just a lot more comfortable and quieter compared to the types of fabrics you get with conventional waterproof jackets. The fit then, well, I'm 5'10", I've got an average build, and I tried this in a medium, which is my usual size, and I've really liked the fit of it. There's enough volume underneath so you can wear it over a thick insulated jacket, but then there's also loads of adjustment, most notably right around the waist, so you can bring it in and create an aerodynamic profile, which is really handy when you're using it in windy conditions. The Smock's premium features comes with a premium price tag, typically exceeding £500, which may be a consideration for more casual users. Additionally, while its durability and comfort make it ideal for extreme conditions, its bulkier design might not appeal to those who prioritise lightweight gear for less demanding conditions. What I would say though is it's been the perfect kind of jacket for the horrible conditions that I've been faced with recently. That's it for my review then. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do have any questions, fire away down below in the comments. I'd be happy to help there. And here's another Paramo jacket. This one is absolutely ideal for proper winter conditions. Go and check out that review. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.